Hey ladies over 60, are you ready to reclaim your strength and vitality? Point 1. Our goal is to build muscle, boost bone density, and keep you independent for years to come. Point 2. The problem: as we age, we lose muscle mass fast up to 5% per decade, leading to frailty, falls, and lost mobility. Point 3. The solution: start these 3 simple strength training exercises today before it's too late. Stick around, dial. Show you how on the Health 60 Plus. Welcome back to the Health 60 Plus, the channel dedicated to helping women over 60 thrive with practical health tips, fitness routines, and wellness advice tailored just for you. I'm your host name, and today we're diving into something crucial: strength training. If you're thinking, I'm over 60, strength training isn't for me, think again. It's one of the best things you can do for your body right now. Let me start by explaining why strength training matters so much at our age. As women, we face unique challenges. Hormonal shifts like declining estrogen levels accelerate muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, and weaken our bones, increasing osteoporosis risk. Studies from the American Journal of Physiology show that women over 60 can lose up 1 to 2% of muscle mass yearly if inactive. That translates to weaker legs for climbing stairs, fragile arms for carrying groceries, and a higher chance of falls, which are the leading cause of injury in our age group, according to the CDC. But here's the empowering news: it's reversible. Strength training isn't about bulking up like a bodybuilder. It's about functional strength that keeps you moving freely. Research from the Journal of Gerontology proves that even starting in your 60s or 70s can increase muscle mass by 10 to 20% in just a few months. It boosts metabolism, improves balance, enhances mood through endorphin release, and even supports heart health by lowering blood pressure. Today, I'll share 3 essential strength training exercises every woman over 60 should incorporate. These are beginner-friendly, require little to no equipment, and focus on major muscle groups: lower body, upper body, and core back. We'll cover the benefits, step-by-step instructions, modifications for different fitness levels, and tips to avoid injury. Aim for those -3 sessions per week, with 8 to 12 reps per set, and 2 to 3 sets per exercise. Start slow, listen to your body, and breathe. Exhale on the effort, inhale on the release. Let's jump into exercise 1, the chair squat. This is a powerhouse for your lower body, targeting your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Why is this crucial? Strong legs mean better mobility. Think walking without pain, getting up from a chair or playing with grandkids without fatigue. Weak legs are a top predictor of falls, but squats can improve leg strength by up to 25% in older adults, per a study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine. Here, how to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Extend your arms forward for balance. Slowly lower your body as if sitting back into the chair, keeping your chest up and knees tracking over your toes. Don't let them cave in. Hover just above the seat or lightly touch it, then push through your heels to stand back up. That's 1 rep. For beginners, use the chair for support by actually sitting down each time. If you're more advanced, hold light dumbbells or water bottles. For added resistance, common mistakes: rounding your back, keep it straight, and rushing the movement. Do it controlled. If you have knee issues, try a wall squat variation. Stand against a wall, slide down to a 90-degree angle, hold for 10 to 20 seconds, and slide up. Incorporate this into your routine. Start with 8 reps, build to 12. Over time, you'll notice easier daily tasks, like gardening or shopping. One of my viewers, Susan from Texas, shared that after 2 months of chair squats, she could hike with her family again without knee pain. Amazing, right? Moving on to exercise 2, wall push-ups. This is fantastic for your upper body, chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Women over 60 often neglect upper body strength, leading to poor posture, shoulder pain, and difficulty with overhead tasks like reaching shelves. But push-ups build that strength safely. A Harvard health study found that regular upper body exercises reduced the risk of shoulder injuries by 30% in seniors. To perform, stand facing a wall, about arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height and width, fingers pointing up. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. No sagging hips. Bend your elbows to lower your chest toward the wall. Then push back to the starting position. Keep your core engaged and breathe out as you push away. Modifications. If it's too easy, step farther from the wall or progress to knee push-ups on the floor. For those with wrist issues, use push-up handles or do them against a countertop. Avoid locking your elbows or shrugging your shoulders. Keep them down and relaxed. Aim for 10 reps per set. This exercise not only tones your arms but also improves bone density in your upper body, combating osteoporosis. Pair it with a chair squat for a full body circuit. Remember, consistency is key. Even 10 minutes a day adds up. Now, exercise 3. Seated resistance band rows. This targets your back muscles, lats, and rear delts plus your biceps. Strong back muscles are essential for good posture, which prevents neck and back pain that's so common in our 60s. Poor posture can lead to kyphosis, but rows counteract that by pulling your shoulders back. The National Institute on Aging recommends back exercises to maintain spinal health and reduce fall risks. You'll need a resistance band, inexpensive and portable. Sit on a chair with legs extended, band wrapped around your feet. Hold the ends in each hand, palms facing in. Sit tall, then pull the band toward your sides, squeezing your shoulder blades together like cracking a nut between them. Slowly release back to start. 4 variations. If no band, use dumbbells or even soup cans. Beginners can shorten the band for less resistance. Advanced can loop it tighter. Focus on form, no jerking, smooth pulls, and keep your neck neutral. Do 12 reps and feel that burn in your back. This exercise also engages your core for stability, making it a tool. Studies in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research show that resistance band training improves muscle endurance in older women by 15 to 20%. Let's tie these together. Why these 3 specifically? They cover compound movements, multi-muscle exercises that maximize efficiency for busy women. Chair squats for legs and glutes, wall push-ups for push strength, and rows for pull strength. Together, they create balance, preventing muscle imbalances that cause injuries. Progression tips. Week 1, 2, focus on form, with no weights. Week 3 to 4, add reps or light resistance. Track your progress in a journal. Note how you feel stronger each session. Nutrition plays a role too. Pair this with protein-rich meals, like eggs, yogurt, or nuts, to support muscle repair. Aim for 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, as per geriatric nutrition guidelines. Safety first. Warm up with 5 minutes of marching in place. Cool down with stretches. If you feel pain, not to be confused with effort, stop and consult a doctor. These exercises are low impact, but everyone's body is different, especially if you have arthritis or joint issues. Real talk. Starting strength training over 60 can feel intimidating, but it's empowering. I've heard from so many subscribers who've transformed their lives, like Margaret, 68, who say, "I was scared of falling, but after these exercises, I feel steady and confident." You can too. To make it sustainable, create a routine. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 20 to 30 minutes. Use apps like MyFitnessPal for tracking or join the Health 60 community for motivation. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you're dealing with specific conditions like osteoporosis, modify further. Use chairs for support or consult a physical therapist. Strength training can increase bone density by 1 to 3% yearly, per the Mayo Clinic. But always prioritize safety. Wrapping up the main content. These 3 exercises, stair squats, wall push-ups, and seated rows, are your ticket to a stronger, more vibrant life. Don't wait until mobility issues sideline you. Start today and watch how your body thanks you. Thanks for watching Over 60. 3 strength training exercises every woman should do before too late on the Health 60 Plus. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more age-defying fitness and health tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment. Which exercise will you try first? Share your story, we love hearing from you. For personalized advice, check out our free guide in the description. Remember, it's never too late to invest in your health. Stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next video.